Hi guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to check GameStop gift card balance. So let's get started. First of all, what you have to do, you need to visit on this website like GameStop, and over here you can see they are providing lots of gift cards, and if you have any kind of purchase gift card from this website, then how you can check. You can see you need to type on any sort of browser like GameStop gift card, and once you get the result you need to click on first one result, and once you click on first one result you will be redirected to on this page like this one page. And over here on this page, this is the gift card page, and if you did not find this page on your browser, then what you have to do, you need to type on this browser like gift card. You need to type over here gift and card. Once you type gift card, you need to type hit enter, and once you hit enter you will be redirected to on this page. Okay, and on this page you need to scroll down, and over here you can see this is the option like check your gift card balance, and you need to click on see now, and once you click on see now you will be redirected to on this page like this one. As you can see on your screen, this is the page. You need to enter your card number over here, you need to enter your pin number over here, and where you get your card number and pin number, when you flip your card, or you can say from the back side of your card, you will see your card number and pin number on the back side of your card, and you need to enter your details of card and pin number over here, and you need to click on check balance, and by using this method you can easily check your gift card balance of GameStop. Okay, so if you're facing any issue you can make a comment. I will reply very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.